Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to create a new folder using a shortcut. So open File Explorer or location where you want to create a new folder. Like in Documents, we have some folders. To create, press and hold CTRL Shift N. So as we can see now, we created this new folder. I will give the name number 1 for this folder. So CTRL Shift N. Now number 2, Control Shift N, number 3. So this is the way guys you can create a new folder using shortcut. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe the channel for more useful videos.